Hey all, how are you? Today our video topic is how to move chart on or another sheet in Google Sheets. So let's get started. Follow me step by step. At first we have to open a Google Sheet software on your Chrome browser. You can use any browser. Now we can see here a chart data table. Now I am select the data table, click and drag on our mouse, then go to the insert menu and click the chart option. Now we can see here automatically open a chart. Then you can change your chart, your choice. Now I select the area chart. Then close the window. Then click the chart and click the more option. Now we want to move chart to own sheet or another sheet. Click this move to own sheet option. And we can see here we move the chart to our own sheet. Here the area chart to show big preview. Then we go back our preview chart. Then we can see here the process is very easy. I hope you understand this video. Don't forget to like, comment and share my video. Thanks for watching.